Hello guys, so I have a USB here that is not working. Okay, I'm just gonna plug it in and let you all see. I just plugged in a USB and look at this. The USB is not being recognized. Okay, and just to make sure that it is there, I'm gonna show you all. Just type in device manager right here and it will show you all the connected devices. Okay, and in my disk drives you can see this here, SanDisk Cruiserblade USB device. I've plugged this in but it's not showing. Yes, so to remedy this there are a couple of steps. Okay, the first and basic thing you have to do is try all the USB hubs in your computer. Okay, this is pretty basic but most of you must have done it, but just to let you all know, this is the first thing you should try all the USB hubs, may it be in the rear or the front. Okay, and now the next thing is next to try is this one. Just type in disk management. Okay, disk management. Okay, and it's going to show you all the drives that you have. Okay, this is my primary drive. All my files are in there, and this is the removable USB drive which isn't working. Okay, so the first thing you can do is just right click on this and change drive letter and paths. Okay, so you can see there's no name out there. Okay, names such as C, D, E, there's nothing out there. All the other drives have name C, E, F. This one does not have, so you can just give it a new name. You can give it any name. Let's say G. Let's say M. Yeah. I just gave it a new name, and this now it is a new volume M. This is drive M for you. So now the next thing you can do is right click, in this, and then go to explore. Now it's readable. Yes, my PC is showing this. Okay, just make sure. Let's go, and you can see this new volume M that just popped up. Okay, so this is how you can make a USB that is not being recognized by the computer to be recognized. Okay, so and there's one more thing you can do. Just type in device manager. Okay, so now you see this drives. Yeah, open this. Okay, mine is already working now, so in case yours does not, you just try this. Type in device manager and then this tab will open. Right click, double click on this disk drives and you'll see this. It will still show you this, but it will not be working, but you can see this. And what you do next is open disk drives and then this, and then right click on this and uninstall device. Just uninstall it. Okay, it will refresh, and then next you do go to the top one. It's your desktop. Yeah, you might have a different name. Just scan for hardwares. Okay, it will scan again and then install all the new drives that was previously uninstalled, and then just close this and try to open your PC and see for this. If it works, just let me know. These are the basic steps to make your USB recognizable again. And thank you for watching.